Setting up your Costway portable air conditioner is quick when you follow the correct order. Start by placing the unit on a flat, stable surface with enough space around it for proper airflow. Attach the exhaust hose securely by twisting it into the unit, then install the adjustable window kit so hot air can vent outside. Make sure the window seal is tight because poor sealing reduces cooling efficiency. Once installed, power on the unit and choose the operating mode that fits your needs. Cool mode lowers temperature, fan mode circulates air, and dry mode removes excess humidity from the room. Adjust temperature and fan speed using the control panel or remote for comfortable operation. For humid environments, connecting a continuous drain hose helps avoid frequent tank emptying. Regularly cleaning the air filter keeps airflow strong, improves cooling performance, and extends the lifespan of the unit. Proper storage in a dry area when not in use also helps maintain long-term reliability.